Hello, this is John Diaz here in Hagerstown, Maryland, off Greencastle Pike. As you can see from the last video I made, they had just poured this concrete slab and now they paved. They put the rough coat down for the asphalt with all the concrete islands and put the bases of the lighting. And now they're working on a steel building construction. Look at all the equipment. Just like they have it all figured out with these construction sites of what equipment to use and what to implement. It would be so nice if the government could also figure it out. Those are some pretty big steel beams there. Pretty big columns. They look pretty much like a foot by a foot. Looks like more warehouse space here in Hagerstown. The only problem is there's a lot of warehouses that are sitting idle all across America. Kind of makes people wonder what's going on with all those empty places. But as you can see, to build them creates jobs. It's going to take a robust government to a robust economy to put everything to work. Thanks for watching from Hagerstown, Maryland. Another construction job site here. Progressing. Look at the last video if you want to see the first part of it. Thanks for watching. This is John Diaz here from Hagerstown. Please push the like button if you enjoyed this and please subscribe to the channel. And again, thanks for watching.